Everyone is wrong about how to use implementation intentions for any habit. And I am going to prove it in this video. Myth number 1, you need motivation to succeed at how to use implementation intentions for any habit. Wrong. Motivation is the result of action, not the cause of it. Myth number 2, it takes 21 days to master how to use implementation intentions for any habit. The real number: 66 days on average, and it varies wildly depending on the person. Myth number 3, successful people in habit building and self-improvement have some special talent for how to use implementation intentions for any habit. They do not. They just have better systems. Here is what science actually says about how to use implementation intentions for any habit. The number 1 predictor of success is not talent or intelligence. It is the quality of your environment. So what should you actually do about how to use implementation intentions for any habit? First, design your environment for success. Make the right choice the easiest choice. Second, use the 2-minute rule. If a step toward how to use implementation intentions for any habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. No thinking, no planning, just do it. Third, find an accountability partner. Having someone who checks in on your how to use implementation intentions for any habit progress doubles your success rate. Remember, how to use implementation intentions for any habit is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Miss a day. Just never miss twice in a row. Like this video if it opened your eyes about how to use implementation intentions for any habit. Subscribe for daily habit building and self-improvement tips that actually work. See you in the next one.